First one, fill in the blanks. Sprite list displays dash for all the sprites in a project. Thumbnail, right? Thumbnail will display. Thumbnail. All the pictures in small pictures they will show, no? That is thumbnail. Dash tab is used to see and edit sprites costume. Costumes tab. Costume. Costumes tab is used to edit sprites in costumes. COS. Okay children, U is not there. Costume. U is here. Okay. Dash instructions helps in controlling the execution of the program. Execution, that is repeat. Dash effects bring change in the looks of the sprite. In the looks it is graphic. Graphics, we can change the looks of the sprite. Dash change the intensity of the color of the sprite. Brightness, to the dark and light can be adjusted in brightness. BRIGHTNESS. Dash block menu controls the look of a sprite. How can you change the look? From looks option. From the block menu control the look of the sprite. Look block menu controls the look of the sprite. Match the following blocks. See here many blocks are given. You want to match by looking at this. You can either identify it by the colors. Okay, the color you can adjust and write. Now see, repeat 10. Repeat 10 means looks, right? So write here, repeat 10 looks, pen, sound, control. This is control, first one. Next one, turning, right? Giving a motion. So this is motion. Then saying hello, that is in look. Stamp, that is in pen. Pen, 4. Then play sound, it is in sound itself. Okay, to write with the pen, or that is the stamp option is there, so that is pen. Then for sound, playing sound and all, you can identify it in this way itself. Sound is here, sound. Then say hello, it is in what? It is in pen, it is in looks. Like that you have to learn it, okay? Or change the color. By the colors also you should identify once you do it in the practical class, okay? Next one, state whether true or false. State whether true or false. A sprite cannot speak with a scratch project. False. A sprite can talk with a scratch project. The mosaic effect changes the intensity of the color of the sprite. No, it is false. It is not mosaic option. XY coordinates indicates the position of the sprite on the stage. Yes, it shows X and Y, the position where it is in the status bar, right? Cursor tools are located at the left of the scratch window. False. It is not in the left. Grow option helps us to increase the size of the sprite. Yes, true. Grow means it will increase the size. You cannot repeat the action of the sprite as many times as you can. We can repeat, right? How many times you want to repeat? You can repeat. So this is false. You cannot is written here, so it is false. Okay. Next one, multiple choice questions. See here, dash runs the instruction inside it again and again. That is, which shows the inside it again and again. See here, forever, repeat, and here when flag is clicked. So it is forever option. That is, again and again it will repeat. Here repeat 10 means only 10 times it will repeat. So here forever option is there. So if you click on that, it will repeat again and again as many as you want. Dash button increases the size of the sprite. Which button? Size of the sprite. Increase the size means grow. Grow option. We did it in the true or false also, right? Grow option will increase the size of the sprite. Dash is also known as current sprite into section. That is sprite header pane. Okay, sprite. Dash displays sprite speech cloud. Speech cloud is hello. Say hello. Click on dash button to select a new sprite from the file. Which button you want to click? The star button. Okay, children. Star with a here question mark is there. Here paint is here with a square. Okay, star with a square. Click on that. Then you will get to select new sprite options. Dash create multiple smaller images of the sprite. Small images is mosaic. Okay. Now question answer. What is mean by script tag? What is script tag, children? It is used to see and edit the sprite costume, right? So write the answers now. Answer number 1. Script tab is used to see and edit sprite costume. By default, the cat sprite has 2 costumes. To switch between them, simply click on the thumbnail of the costume you want. Question number 2. What does the sprite header pane displays? Answer. The sprite header pane includes information about the selected sprite as well as a few tools for manipulating the sprite. It shows a sprite's name, X, Y, position and direction. Question number 3. How can you record a new sound in a Scratch? Step 1. Click on the record button present on the sound tab. A sound recorder pane will appear. It displays 3 buttons on it: play, stop and record. Step 2. Click on the record button to start the recording. The time period of the recording starts increasing, which indicates that the recording has started. Step 3. Click on the pause button to take a pause in between the recording. Question number 4. What is the purpose of clear graphic effect block in Scratch? Answer. Clear graphic effect block removes all the graphic effects we have applied to a particular sprite and bring it back to the normal game. Question number 5. How can you change the stage background? Answer. Step 1. Double click on the stage thumbnail in the sprite list. A new screen with 3 tab scripts, backgrounds and sound will appear. Step 2. Click on the background tab and press on edit button. A paint editor dialog box appears. Step 3. Click on the import button and import background dialog box appears. Step 4. Click on select the required image file from the selected folder. Step 5. Click on OK button. The stage background will be changed. Question number 6. Briefly explain the use of repeat and block in Scratch. Answer. Repeat instructions helps in controlling the execution of the program. We can repeat the action of the sprite as many times as needed. We will get various blocks to repeat the actions in the control block category. Question number 7. How can you show and hide a sprite? Answer. Step 1. Drag the blocks in the script area as shown in the figure. Step 2. Run the script and observe the sprite hiding and reappearing back on the stage. Question number 8. Explain fisheye, ghost and rail. Answer. Fisheye makes the center part of the sprite appear bigger. Ghost fade all the colors out evenly. Rail twists the sprite around its center point. So by this we completed our old lesson which is coming for your exam. Hope you all know the portion for your exam. Sit and learn for your exam. If you have any doubt, please call me. I will be helping you. Okay. All the best for your exam. Do well. Take care. Thank you.